Again, if I want to randomize that stroke even more, I can introduce a little bit of angle jitter, maybe a little bit of scattering. Call this speckled. And any brush that has a little bit of scattering, let's just color in a section here. I can select the smudge tool, select that brush, and you can see how good that works as a blending brush, as a smudge brush. That's good for blending and adding a little bit of texture and grit. Now that we have this shape, hit F9 again. And look at this, we've already got some kind of really soft, almost airbrushed look. Something like this could be like almost like a charcoal brush. I could reduce the thickness of that to sort of simulate that feeling of charcoal held at an angle or something. Again, just looking at jitter to add some randomness or grit, or dual brush just to see what works. So now I can lay down a stroke, go back to that smudge brush, and you can see how quickly, just using a combination of those brushes I created, I can create a lot of variation. So let's say I had a ball, for example. I'll just lock transparency and just lay in like a highlight, maybe bounce light on the bottom. And I use that brush, smudge brush, and we can pretty quickly indicate, some kind of material, and even unlock transparency. And if we smudge around the edges, pretty quickly we've got some kind of furry ball. I'll save that as charcoal brush 1. And you can see now that I have a few of those brushes to choose from, and for this demo, I am just selecting brushes that we've already made. I'm steering away from brushes that I already own, just to illustrate the point. But look at this, we chose that gritty brush as a dual brush, and now I've got almost like this chalk effect here.